those of you who have seen a couple of my recent videos, you may know that I've gotten a pair of refurbished AirPods Pro to upgrade my Bluetooth wireless earbuds game. Now, I'm loving these so far, but you may have noticed I have some custom ear tips on there. You may have seen my Amazon Tech unboxing video last week. These are memory foam ear tips, custom ones in black that I ordered off Amazon. The exact ones I ordered will be linked in the description, but there are other options out there as well. And today I'm talking about why these are such a great idea, even if the AirPods Pro already fit you decently, and how it all works and why it improves the features that are already included with the AirPods Pro. So when I got these in the mail, I was obviously very excited. This was the most premium audio device I have ever owned personally. So I was very excited about that. And first thing I noticed when I put them in is that, they fit okay, certainly better than the regular AirPods, which just kind of sit in my ear like this kind of divot here, and then they just fall out. They certainly fit fine, but with the default silicone ear tips, I found that the earbuds started slowly sliding out of my ears, especially as I was talking or chewing or doing anything like that. And also, if I just shake my head really hard for longer than 5 seconds, they would be on the floor, scattered everywhere, which was a disaster because obviously you want earbuds to stay in your ear, and you also want them to stay in there so the features such as noise cancellation actually work. And if you're just touching the controls on the stem, they don't just fall out. So I looked online, did some research, and I found some people online saying that memory foam ear tips were amazing and solved this problem. So immediately I went on Amazon and picked up a couple. This came in a set with 3 different sizes. So, you've got the small, medium, large, similar to what Apple includes in the box with the default silicone tips. And it was $10, 50 cents Canadian. Got it shipped here with Amazon Prime, done, bazinga, tried them on, and they worked right out of the box. Really great fit. And everything works way better now. The noise cancellation is noticeably better. They stay in my ear more. I can actually move around without physically feeling them sliding out. And I can interact with the stem controls without pulling the earbud out of my ear by accident. So just a quick explanation here for those who don't understand what memory foam is. It's a custom shape-shifting foam. I know it sounds like science fiction, but it's made with polyurethane and other kind of additives to make it form-fitting. So what happens is, let's see if I can demonstrate this, is you can shape it to whatever you want it to be. Let's see if I can get that in focus. So you can kind of shape it, and then it holds its form and then slowly rebounds into its original shape. So what this allows it to do is actually change to fit into your ear canal, which is absolutely essential to me because let me tell you, my ear canals are very weird. They're actually asymmetric. My right ear canal is very different than my left one. This is the case for a lot of people, but mine are quite different to the point where if I was shaking my head like this, the right AirPod would always fall out first. So this way, if I take out my AirPods Pro, kind of the best way to interact with the memory foam is just kind of set them in like this, kind of hold them there for just 5 seconds or so to let the memory foam adjust to the shape, and then they're in. And if I shake my head, my glasses come off and my phone falls on the floor, but my AirPods Pro stay in. So that's awesome. Now, the great thing here is that, as mentioned, the noise cancellation works much better, but then I can just actually interact with the controls without, kind of holding the earbud in place, which is, kind of awkward, and then you get extra pressure in your ear. So that's why memory foam actually is used most commonly, you might have heard of it, with mattresses, because you want it to fit the form of your body when you're sleeping in it, so it's more comfortable, and you kind of just sink in nicely, and it's nice and soft. Same thing with earbuds. The ear canal, if you aren't aware, is one of the most sensitive areas of the body. There's, your eardrum is like an incredibly thin sheet, basically, that vibrates to hear sound. And then that's also where your balance centers are located. So having uncomfortable or straight up painful earbuds in there is never a good idea. This works so much better for me. And honestly, it wasn't much money. Like, I bought a refurbished pair of AirPods Pro, but if you bought them new, that's $330 here where I live in Canada, $10.50 for these earbuds to make them fit way better. Absolutely great. And I love them. I'm sure there are people out there who said, polyurethane, what the hell is that? I don't want that in my ears. Now, that is a legitimate concern. Polyurethane is a synthetic material completely, and there are other additives to make, including chemicals, that make memory foam work. I wouldn't worry about it though. Consumer memory foam is pretty chill, and honestly, the Apple ear tips are just made of silicone, which is completely synthetic as well. So I wouldn't worry about that. And the other thing to note is that this isn't just for AirPods Pro. Now, these particular memory foam ear tips are custom for the AirPods Pro because they have a custom ear tip mounting mechanism, as I demonstrated in my unboxing. So they actually have a proprietary mounting mechanism. These ones are specifically for the AirPods Pro. And something I really liked, which I don't know if you can see it, is similar to the AirPods Pro stock ear tips. The manufacturer of this included a mesh in there, so none of your ear canal gunk can make it all the way to the actual surface of the AirPod. The great thing about memory foam ear tips is you can also get them for other brands of earbuds that use kind of more friction mounted or kind of like industry standard mounting mechanisms instead of the proprietary system used with the AirPods Pro. And I just made this video here to kind of explain how it works, why it's useful, like the noise cancellation and sound, as mentioned, is noticeably better with a better seal. That's why people love the AirPods Pro versus the regular AirPods. And I also just made this video as a testimonial, as someone else out there saying, these do work. So if you are debating picking some up to create a better seal or to make them fit in your ear in the first place, which they didn't for me, then definitely I would recommend it. I, again, as mentioned, will leave the ones I link specifically in the description, but there are others out there for varying prices. As long as they are genuine memory foam, they all work pretty much the same, I'm guessing. But yeah, certainly if you are having trouble with earbuds staying and fitting in your ear canal, or you're getting a bunch of outside sound bleed, definitely look into something like this, and I think you're going to love it. Well, thank you for watching this video, everyone. Subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest projects and see all of my tech-focused videos uploaded weekly. And of course, stay tuned with the notifications turned on because I will be doing a full review of these refurbished AirPods Pro in the near future, so definitely stay tuned for that. See you guys in the next video.